I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You now begin by confirming essentials, studio installed, and your game published. Open the project, then enable API services and developer access so scripts can call deployment functions. Once done, create a screen GUI and a text button in Starter GUI to host the menu. Make a module script named Deploy Menu for reusable UI logic. You do these steps now because they let subsequent scripts toggle visibility and trigger server calls securely, so the menu interacts with game instances reliably. Next, wire UI to server logic. In the module script, implement open, close, and update to manage buttons and dynamic lists, then connect button. Activated to fire a remote event. On the server, listen to the remote event, validate player permissions, and call your deployment routine, for example, publishing a version or creating a private server through the appropriate API wrappers. Make sure to sanitize inputs and respond with success or error messages so the client can update the menu state immediately. Finally, polish the experience. Add confirmation prompts, loading spinners, and clear success/failure messages so players understand outcomes. Test thoroughly and play solo, start server with multiple clients, and check server logs for errors. If deployment fails, inspect API permissions, remote event connections, and whether the server script has correct context and error handling. Make sure rate limits and publish quotas aren't hit. If you still see issues, add detailed logging around the server call and replicate the failure locally to isolate the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.